This is Karen Ranzi of Feel Fabulous with Food, and I am going to prepare you one of my very favorite, really quick salad dressings. You don't need a high-powered blender. I can just do this one right in a NutriBullet over a large main meal salad. And since the last meal of the day for me is always a large main meal salad, in this bowl, I went from a really tiny salad to a really big salad because I knew how important it is to get all of the minerals and the quality protein from leafy green vegetables. So today I'm going to prepare for you my favorite hemp seed dressing. And I have a few hemp seed dressings that I prepare, but this is definitely one that stands out for me. I have organic hemp hearts. I only put in one medjool date to give it that little bit of sweetness that it needs. But I don't put in a lot of dates, and the reason is that because sweet fruit like dates does not combine really well with fats like hemp seeds. So I'm only going to put in one. I have a beautiful zucchini from the farmer's market. I could peel it if you want to have it look white and creamy or a lighter color, then peel it. But this zucchini has quite a bit of nutrition because there's nutrition in the peel. So I'm going to keep my peel on. And I wanted a medium zucchini. This is a larger zucchini. So I am going to use the upper half. And I am going to chop that for you now. I love my Japanese caddy knife. I have had it for 40 years. And so you want to have a high quality knife to chop your fruits and veggies. I'm going to cut off the top. I'm going to cut the zucchini lengthwise again and again. I chopped my medium zucchini lengthwise. I'm going to line up the slices and chop them from one end to the next. And I often use zucchini as a filler in my low-fat recipes, so I don't have to use a huge amount of nuts or seeds. The NutriBullet has this nice little cup to prepare dressings. So I am going to put all my zucchini pieces right in here on the bottom. I have about one stalk of celery. This is a piece, but this is not such a big piece. So I'm going to use these two pieces. If you have just one large stalk of celery, slice it lengthwise. Chop them again from top to bottom, moving your hands as you go. Put the pieces of celery in the dressing cup. If you have a scallion, just one scallion, you can chop that up and put that in your dressing as well. Some people are sensitive to onions and garlic, which can be irritating for some people's digestive tract. If so, then don't use it. But if you aren't sensitive to scallion, which is green onion, you can use that. I'm not using any onion or scallion today, but I am going to put in 1 clove of garlic. After chopping the garlic, I am going to add it to the dressing cup. And now I am going to my hemp seeds. I'm going to measure out 2 tablespoons of hemp hearts. Here they are. They don't need soaking. They're really tasty. And they are high in omega-3 fatty acids. That's what I love about hemp hearts. They do have some omega-6, but they're higher in omega-3, and we essentially need to get omega-3. And that's why I really like hemp seeds and chia seeds and flax seeds and walnuts, because they have that really good omega-3. So I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons, 1, 2. I have 1 organic lemon. It had some nice seeds. I took out the seeds, and now I'm going to juice them into this wide mouth dressing cup. So I'm going to turn the lemon upside down. There's holes here on one side, and I am going to push down the handles and squeeze out the lemon juice and the other half. Now I have the entire lemon juiced into my dressing, along with hemp seeds, chopped zucchini, chopped celery, and 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to take 1 medjool date, only 1, because I don't want to mix a lot of sweet dried fruit with a fat. So I have hemp seeds in there as the fat, and I am going to just take 1 medjool date just to give it some nice sweetness. I just took out the pit. I'm going to break it in half, and I'm going to put it in my dressing cup. Then afterwards, I would add my fresh, beautiful local cilantro that I got, and I'm going to put in about 1/2 cup. You don't want to use too much cilantro because it is extremely detoxifying, but 1/4 to 1/2 cup is fine. So what I'm going to do is I am going to first blend up the ingredients I already put in the NutriBullet cup, and then I am going to add the cilantro last. It keeps its taste. If it's blended up with the rest of the ingredients, it will lose its taste. I'm also going to sprinkle some dulse granules. I like to have a little bit of sea veggie, and I prefer dulse. About 1 teaspoon of dulse gives me a little over 100% for the day of iodine. And so that's a real benefit of having some sea vegetables. And I really like dulse. This one is from Maine Coast Sea Veggies. Sprinkle some of that in. I'm going to put on my blade of the NutriBullet. I'm just going to push down on my NutriBullet to prepare my dressing. I'm using my Japanese caddy knife to chop the cilantro coarsely. Add the cilantro to the dressing. And I'm going to put my top back on. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of water to the mixture for the dressing. And there it is. Oh my goodness. Beautiful green, gorgeous green dressing. Can't wait to try this. Super yum. Can't wait to have this on my lard salad. I am looking so much forward to my big, beautiful green dinner salad. And what do I have in my dinner salad? I have lots of romaine lettuce grown locally, organic. I have baby arugula, also local and organic. Green leaf lettuce, red leaf lettuce, butter lettuce. And on the top, I have some chopped red cabbage. I am going to chop some pea shoots to add to the top. I always like to add sprouts or microgreens. I have my luscious hemp seed cilantro dressing, and I'm going to pour it all over my salad, which is topped with amazing pea shoots. And there it is. And I get to chow down on this enormous, wonderful, nutrient-dense, antioxidant salad. I get to top it with some sliced cherry tomato. And there it is. And please follow me at Feel Fabulous with Food right here on YouTube. My new recipe book, RAWthentic, Raw Food Delights to Energize Your Life, just came out on Amazon. It's got amazing savory dinner and lunchtime recipes in this book, co-authored with my friend Feather Smith. See the link for the recipe book and my raw food coaching in the description below. I'll see you on the next video.